What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be doing a heart opening beginner yoga flow. It will be pretty quick, so you can fit it in when you have a tight schedule. My name's Gillian, and I'll be guiding you through this practice. So we'll get started in an easy seat. I know this easy seat can sometimes not feel easy at all, so you might want to grab onto a bolster or a blanket, maybe a pillow, to make yourself comfortable. So find that seat with one leg crossed in front of the other. Take a deep breath. Inhale, maybe close your eyes, and exhale, release. Just taking a second to find your center. And you can stay like this, or you can bring your shoulders up to your ears and exhale them back and down for shoulder circles. Inhale them up to your ears and exhale back and down, lifting your chest. Moving with your breath. And switch directions. Inhale, lift your shoulders, and exhale them forward and down. And relax your shoulders. Drop your right hand onto the mat. Lift your left arm up for a side bend. You can look down at the mat. That kind of gives an extra stretch along your neck. You might also be feeling a stretch along your left side. And rise up. We'll switch sides. Plant your left hand, bring your right arm up, and side bend. Maybe look down at the mat. Keep pressing your hips down. Remembering to breathe. And come on up. We'll come into tabletop position for cat-cow. So for tabletop, you want to have your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Lift your chest. Tilt your tailbone up, drop your belly for cow. And exhale, cat. Arch your spine, press through your hands, tuck your tailbone under. Inhale, cow. And exhale, cat. Just keep moving with your own breath. You can make some hip circles if you want. Maybe figure eights. Do whatever feels good and organic to you. Make sure you're always listening to your body today. I'm just here to be your guide, but this practice is totally up to you. Do what you need to do. And come back to center. Tuck your toes under for downward facing dog. Lift your hips, press your heels down, spread your fingers out on the mat. You can walk your dog out here, pressing one heel down at a time. Sway your hips from side to side. Take a deep breath here. And press both heels down. And you want to step your left foot between your hands for low lunge. Drop your knee down and lift your arms up by your ears. Lift your chest. Maybe if it feels okay to you, you can add a little back bend in, pressing your hips down. Take another deep breath. And drop your right hand to the inside of your left foot for a twist. Open your chest. Maybe roll out your wrist here. And drop your left hand down to the outside of your foot for half splits. So you'll straighten your left leg. Maybe lift your left toes. And this is a good place to wiggle out your toes. You might be feeling a pretty strong stretch along your hamstring. Bend into your left knee. Plant your hands, tuck your back toes under for downward facing dog. Take a deep breath here and release. Step your right foot between your hands for low lunge. Drop your back knee down and lift your arms up by your ears. Keep sinking your hips. Lift your chest. Inhale. And drop your left hand down to the inside of your foot. Open up your chest. Inhale, maybe open your chest a little bit more, reaching for the sky. And drop your right hand down to the outside of your foot for half splits. Straighten your right leg, pressing your hips back. You can lift your toes here, maybe wiggle out your toes. I feel a pretty strong hamstring stretch here. I don't know if you feel that hamstring stretch too. And bend into your left knee. Plant your hands for downward facing dog. Step your right foot back. Take a deep breath. And step your feet between your hands. Come on down into a seat. And bring your legs out in front of you. Your arms up by your ears. Forward fold. You can grab onto whatever feels good for you. It can be totally different every day. Maybe your calves today, maybe your toes, whatever you want to do. And rise up. Bend your right knee. Bring your right foot to the mat. You'll lift your right arm up by your ear and twist to the side. Lifting your left arm up and putting your left hand to the outside of your left leg. Lift your chest. And unwind. Straighten your right leg out. Bend your left knee. Plant your left foot on the mat. Lift your right arm and twist to the side. Plant your left hand behind you. Lift your chest. And unwind. Come down onto your back. And bring the bottoms of your feet together for reclined butterfly pose. You can bring one hand to your belly and one hand to your heart to feel yourself breathing. Your chest rising and releasing. Maybe close your eyes. And lift your knees. Cactus your arms, bringing them out to the side. And drop your knees to the right as you look over your left hand. knees. Drop your knees to the left as you look over your right hand. And lift your knees for happy baby pose. Hug your knees into your chest and then grab onto the bottoms of your feet. Maybe rock side to side here. Pull your knees towards your armpits. And release your legs to the mat for final rest or final shavasana, bringing your arms along your side. As we let go of our yoga practice, hopefully your heart feels a little bit more open. Taking some deep breaths. And open your eyes. Wiggle out your toes, wiggle out your fingers. Roll over onto your side. And come up into a seat. When you get to your seat, bring one hand to your belly and one hand to your heart. Take a deep breath. And release. And bring your hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today and taking some time to take care of yourself. I hope that you enjoyed this beginner yoga practice and join me again another time. Namaste.